Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just working on this ideal Evomax 2 150. Not sure if you've worked on any of them. They're similar to the older model, but let's have a look at this new model. Starting at the top left, you've got an automatic air vent there on the left, and then you have different burner fixings on the top, and you see you've got the burner fixings here and over here. They're different to the older longer type. And then the fan is up there, and the venturi on the right. Can you see it there? There's the venturi, and the gas valve is hidden at the back. Flow thermistor on the left, just there. And then we also have the igniter unit. So the igniter is here. And then we have the electrode detector here on the right. We've got our earth leads on there as well. Our detection is on the right hand side. Our flue here. Our water pressure sensor down here on the right hand side. Let me know if you've worked on any of these ideal Evomax 2s. It's the first one I have seen. I've seen the older model, but not this newer edition. You can see the spark generator down here. The automatic air vent hose comes down at the bottom. Let's have a look at the bottom. So here we have it. Over here, that's the automatic air vent hose, comes out to here, and we have our condensate trap, our PRV, our flow and our return. And then down here we have the pump. On the controls to get in higher notes, a bit different from the other. I don't know if you remember the other. When you would scroll through, you would get high and low, or use that little summer, winter mode, and then you could get into high and low. With this model, let's have a look. We go in, we go through, put a boiler menu, service, and then you have minimum and maximum. It does take a while to work up to maximum, so here's the minimum, and it's saying all boilers or boiler one. I haven't tried to see if it will work on all boilers at once to get them all in minimum. I haven't tried that. I'm going to just try the individual boiler. So here we go, and it will work its way down, slowly working its way down into its minimum. And then to maximum, if we go back, we say okay. And then we make our way down to maximum. And then you'll see it's a service max, and then this will eventually work its way up to 100%. Doesn't happen in an instant. It takes its time. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye.